Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Conditions for the animals that to be slaughtered. The first condition is that you should own it, and you should not and you should not for other persons. You should own it or should be permitted to slaughter it. And the other condition is that the camel should be 5 years, cow should be 2 years, goats should be 1 year, sheep should be 6 months. And also the other condition is that the Messenger of Allah commanded us to examine لا وعن براء بن آزب قال كان في الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم فقال أربع لا تجوز في الدهاية يعني four should not accepted when slaughtering Udhiyyah. العراء بين أورها one eyed which is clear it's one eyedness والمريضة التي بين مرضها sick which is sickness is clear, but if it is sick small there's no problem less not sick a lot. And also the aura, if the aura is not very clear, there's no problem. And the one eye is not very clear, there's no problem. والأرجاء بين طلوها and a cripple its lameness is clear, but if it's not very clear there's no problem. والكثير التي لا تنكي and a broken which cannot be mended. If you cannot mend it, then it's not allowed for you to slaughter it. And these also others from the hadith. It was narrated that Abu ad-Dahdak Ubayd bin Faruz, the freed slave of Banu Shayban, said, Ayu said to Al-Bara bin Azib, tell me of the sacrificial animals that the Messenger of Allah displayed or forbid. He said, the Messenger of Allah stood up, and my hands are shorter than his, and he said, there are four that will not do a sacrifice: the animal that clearly has one bad eye, the sick animal that is obviously sick, the lame animal with an obvious limp, and the animal that is so emaciated that it's as if there is no marrow in its bone. I said, I dislike that the animal should have some fault in its horns or teeth. He said, what do you like? Forget about it and do not make it forbidden to anyone. I say to Al-Bara bin Azib, tell me of the sexual animal that the Messenger of Allah dislike or forbid. He said, the Messenger of Allah gestured like this with his hand, and my hands are shorter than the hand of the Messenger of Allah. And he said, there are four that will not do as sacrifices: the animal that clearly has one bad eye, the sick animal that is obviously sick, the lame animal with an obvious lump, and the animal that is so emaciated that it is as if there is no marrow in its bones. He said, I dislike that the animal should have some fault in its horns or ears. He said, what do you dislike? Forget about it and don't make it forbidden to anyone. It was narrated from Uzayd bin Faruz that Al-Bara bin Azib said, I heard the Messenger of Allah say, and he gestured with his fingers, but the fingers were shorter than the fingers of the Messenger of Allah. He said, it's not permissible to offer a sacrificial animal that clearly has one bad eye, a lame animal that is obviously lame, a sick animal that is obviously sick, or an animal that is so emaciated that it is as if there is no marrow in its bones. The Messenger of Allah commanded us to examine the eyes and ears of animals, and not to sacrifice animals with its ears slit from the front, and animals with its ears slit from the back, animals with its tail cut, no animal with a round hole in its ear. The Messenger of Allah commanded us to examine the eyes and ears of animals, and not to sacrifice an animal with a bad eye, no animal with its ears slit from the front, no animals with its ears slit from the back, and no animal with a round hole in its ear. The Messenger of Allah forbids sacrificing an animal with its ears slit from the front, and animals with its ears slit from the back, and an animal with its ears slit lengthwise, and animals with a round hole in its ear, or an animals with its nose cut off. No sacrifice an animal with its ears slit from the front, an animal with its ears slit from the back, an animal with its ears slit lengthwise, an animal with a round hole in its ears, or an animal with one bad eye. The Messenger of Allah commanded us to examine the eyes and ears of the animals for sacrifice. The Messenger of Allah forbade us from sacrificing an animal with a broken horn. I then read and mentioned that to Sa'id bin al-Musayyib, and he said, yes, unless half or more of the horn is missing. The Messenger of Allah said, do not slaughter anything but a musinna, unless that is difficult, in which case you can slaughter a jada, sheep. So those are the conditions for the udhiyyah.